Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be a vlog video. I'm currently looking for my lotion and my lip gloss. On the agenda today, I did a lot of, and ignore the car noise if you can hear it, my car is heating up, but I did a lot of, like, I want to say administrative work this morning, replying back to emails, filling out my schedule and my calendar, posting videos. I just did a girl talk video that I'm going to post on Patreon. It's actually scheduled to post at like 10 a.m. So that's in like 30 minutes. I'm on my way now to get some breakfast from Panera, which I don't think I'm going to make it. I'm not going to make it, honestly. So I'll probably just get a smoothie from Panera, and I may get their chicken bowl. I'm trying to eat something because I'm going to a meeting today, and it's a meeting going over mortgages, the home buying process. And I was telling my friend that I was thinking of going last night, and she was like, but don't you already know about purchasing homes? Didn't you already purchase and sell your first home? And I'm like, yes, I did, and I do know, I was a loan officer. I have my NMLS number. I took training classes, so I know a lot about mortgages. However, there's always more that you can learn. I'm not one of those people where I'm like, I already know it, so I'm not going to learn anymore. Like, there's always more that you can learn. And even if I don't learn anything new, it's always good to have a different perspective and see how other people think, and just be around like-minded people. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm about to take off now and head to Panera, and I'm going to meet my aunt back here. I'm actually going to the class with my aunt. So I'm going to meet her back here when I get done with Panera. And I don't know if I'm going to drive my car separately, or if she's going to drive, if I'm going to ride with her. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to trail her, or if she's going to ride with, if I'm going to ride with her. But, I don't know. I have a lot of things in my car. My car is cluttered. So there's really no room for anyone else to ride with me. So I don't really know how we're going to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and get started down the road. This may actually be my grandparents here. No, it's not. Okay. I'm going to get started down the road, and I'll keep you all updated for the day. So it's actually snowing yesterday. So it went from snowing to it being really pleasant today, actually. There's still some snow residuals, on the top of some roofs. And I don't even see any on any cars. But yeah, I think just on the top of some roofs. But the sun is shining. It feels really good. I still need my coat on. It's not the down south weather that I have been accustomed to for the past year. But it's definitely, it's a nice day. So I'm going to try to find some place down here to get my nails done while I'm here, and my toes, because I really, really need my toes and my nails done. But I don't know if I'm going to do that today. I honestly know if I'm going to have time. After I leave the meeting, I do have a few mentees that I need to connect with. And then after that, I plan on going shopping. I'm looking for some different, I want to look for apartment or house stuff, decor and things like that. So I don't really know what stores I'm going to go to. Nothing's really carved in stone. After this class that I'm going to, I really, and meeting with my mentees, I really don't have anything that I have to get done. So that's that. I'm really proud of myself because I have been really utilizing my planner, and believe it or not, you can know in your mind what you have to get done, but it always works really, really well when you, I'll say this, when I write things down. I get so much more accomplished when I write down my plans and my ideas versus just kind of winging it. This year, for the remainder of this year and next year, I do plan on really going hard. Not saying that I wasn't before, but I'm really, really strategic on what I'm doing with my time and not allowing my time to be wasted, and I want to make sure that I am taking advantage of every opportunity that I possibly can. And, my goal, I have goals, and I'll probably go over those in another video with you all, but I definitely have goals that I am trying to knock down, and I really just don't have the time to like waste, if that makes sense. So I'll be taking you along the journey like I do with you all any other time, and you'll know what I'm talking about sooner or later. You know, and I'll share some of my goals and things that I've accomplished, and you know, things that I'm working on, and stuff like that later on as well. But yes, right now I'm just on my way to Panera, like I mentioned, and I just really wanted to show you all how nice today really looks. Like, I really don't take nice weather for granted, you know. I'm thinking more so of not necessarily, like, I don't know. I'll say this for another video. But I'll pick you all back up once I get to Panera Bread.
What can I get for you?
Hi. May I have a mango smoothie?
All right, anything else for you?
Yes. Are you still doing the parfaits, or is that over?
You said a souffle?
A Greek yogurt parfait?
Oh yeah, you can get one of those.
Okay. Yes, that's what I'll get, and that's it.
All right, anything else for you?
No, thank you.
All right, do you have my Panera card?
No.
All right, your total's gonna be $10.48 at the window.
Thank you. I'm thinking now, like, should I have gotten some lunch? Or is the parfait going to be enough? I don't know. Because I'm really not that hungry, but I feel like I am going to get hungry. I don't know. Decisions. Oh. Okay, put y'all down for just a second. You too, thank you. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna eat. Do I have time to eat in the parking lot? Because I'm supposed to meet my aunt at 11:15. What time is it? It's 10:40. Yeah, I think I have time to eat in the parking lot. So I'm gonna eat this in the parking lot and see if I'm still hungry. And if I'm hungry, I'm just gonna go back through the line and grab me something to go. Like, you don't wanna go. Because that's the worst feeling to, like, I've been in enough meetings to know that is one of my pet peeves, to be hungry and stuck in a meeting. I don't want to say stuck, but you feel stuck, like, when you're hungry. It's like I can't go anywhere. There's really nothing here that's filling. I'm tired of eating bagels, you know, the little snacks that they have. I don't know if this is gonna do it or not, because it's breakfast, but it's not, like, it's kind of mid-afternoon. Well, not mid-afternoon, it's only 10:40, but it's about to be 11, which is kind of like brunch time. I've never had this mango smoothie from Panera, and it's really good. Really, really good. I normally get the green smoothie, so I tried something new today. Okay. So this has some granola and nuts in it. I've never tried this either. I was just looking at their menu earlier today to see what I wanted to get, because I knew I was coming here. I just didn't know what I was going to get. So let me pour this in here. This is what it looks like, by the way. I apologize if I'm too, like, close to the camera. It's just the best angle that I have right now. And you all know, if you watch my vlogs long enough, that I will eat on camera, but I really don't like to. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, see if I'm full or not, give you all an update, and then pick the camera back up in just a little bit. Okay, so I ate the parfait. It was not, honestly, I didn't love it as much as I thought I would love it. I like the fruit, but I did not really like the yogurt. Sometimes I like Greek yogurt, sometimes I don't. I'm just not used to Greek yogurt. I guess I can say that. So I didn't really eat that. So I am going to go back through the line. I know it's going to make me look like, man, weren't you just here? I know, but I kind of had a sneaky suspicion that either the fruit parfait wasn't going to be enough to fill me up, or it wasn't going to be, you know, good, because I've never tried it. So I'm going to go back through the line, and this time I'm going to get like, they have this chicken stir fry stuff. I forgot the name of it. I really forgot the name of it. But I'll know once I look at the menu. It's like this chicken. What is it? Is it hibachi chicken? It's something like that they have. Oh. I just called my aunt and she said she won't be there until like 11:20. We're not leaving until like 11:30. So I have plenty of time. Plenty of time. I'm like, it's me again. Okay. So, I don't think I've ever done this on a vlog. Go back through the drive-thru again and order. But good thing I stayed, because I knew that I just had a suspicion that wasn't going to do it for me. Not saying that no one else will like it. I'm sure, I mean, a lot of people like the parfaits. I'm just not used to Greek yogurt. What is it called? I don't see it on the menu.
Welcome to Panera Bread, where we work with people just like you. Good morning, you can order when you're ready.
Good morning. What's that chicken and rice thing that you have? Is it chicken hibachi? Or chicken teriyaki or something like that?
We actually don't have those right now, unfortunately. There's a shortage on teriyaki sauce. The only thing I have with rice is our chicken wild rice soup.
Okay, so I had to tell you all one moment, because I had to look up the name on the Panera website to make sure I was saying it right. And it is the chicken teriyaki and broccoli bowl, and they are sold out. And man, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and go over to Wendy's and get some chicken nuggets. That's it. That's it. It is definitely going to save me more money. I guess I could look at the positive and the bright side. It's not going to be as nutritious or filling as what I wanted, but I still do. So I feel like this is turning into like a food vlog. It's like if this vlog is talking more about food than anything else, I don't know if it's going up. If it's going up. But I really don't want to be in there hungry, because I know I've had that feeling before, and I just won't torture myself like that. All right, let me get my food stuff situated. I'll probably go to, like I said, Wendy's right next door, eat that, and then I'll pick you all back up probably once I'm on my way to the class. All right, so I am on my way to the class that I was referring to all morning. And I'm following my aunt right now. I decided to take my car because I needed to charge my my phone, and her car did not have a charging port for my phone. So we're actually in the parking ramp now. I'm gonna go ahead and park, and then I will probably pick you all up once I'm in there. I always say probably because I just don't know what type of vibe it's gonna be, because some places don't really want you recording when you go. I've gone to different like workshops before and just different events and meetings, and I have not recorded just because I wanted to be respectful, and you know, I just didn't want to be recording. But let me park really quick. I'll pick you all up once I get inside.
So if you're 55 plus, we don't need this how many degree. Start working. for 2 weeks. And she come to me to get a loan. Never worked before. She went 4 years to get her LPN or whatever. And she wanted to buy a house.
Hey everyone, so I am just now leaving the credit class, the mortgage class. They talked a lot about credit, a lot about obtaining mortgages. I actually did a few worksheets. I got some pamphlets, and I'll probably do a video going over some things that they discussed in the training class. I thought it was really informative. She did ask, the presenter, they asked about my background in the lending industry, and I did explain what I did, and she kept referring to me in the class saying, I know you know this answer. So it was fun. It was interesting, and I can definitely say that I enjoyed myself. So I was planning on going shopping after leaving the class, but I'm honestly kind of tired. Don't really know if, you know, once I sit down for a little bit, I'll get some more energy and want to go back out, because it is only 2 o'clock. So, I mean, there's still some time to get out and go shopping. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I don't know. If I don't go today, I probably won't go until Monday. So I'm thinking to myself, if I want to like stop the vlog, like if I want to continue vlogging for the day or stop the vlog right here. I have enjoyed taking you all with me today, even though I really didn't do too much. But I'm headed back to my family's house now. So once I get in, I will pick you all back up, and either I'll pick you all back up once I get in my family's house, or I'll pick the vlog back up another day. But we'll see.